Okay, so Mr. Demond, yes, we're back on the fishing channel. We're getting a fish, and it's a big one. Current struggle. Okay, let's see what it looks like when it comes out. Oh! Well, at least it was a big one. We had a big catfish. We will have a So anyways, here's our fish. Here's our fish. Can we go up close? So it was touched in that net. You see the big lump. We'll have an up close look after Dad trims. After Dad trims off the stuff. We can use that toenail clipper. So.
What? Huh? You came loose?
Yeah, we'll have an up close look later, but
go ahead and take a picture.
there's our big fish, and I'll take a picture.